Today, I'm going to be doing a product unboxing and initial review of the EasyLint fabric shaver. I designed and created this EasyLint fabric shaver about 5 years ago, and quite recently we created this YouTube channel where I'm going to be creating a series of videos about the EasyLint. So please make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. But for now, let me go ahead and demonstrate for you what the box looks like when you receive it. There's a picture of the EasyLint as well as some images of the case that it comes with. On the side, there's also additional explanations of what the EasyLint is about. And then if we flip it over to the other side, you can see that there are some accessories that are included with the EasyLint, as well as all the specs of the unit. And finally, once we open up the box, this is what it looks like. There's going to be a case, and then the case is going to be wrapped in a separate bag on its own. The brand name for the EasyLint is called Always Luxe, as you can see here. However, the product itself is called EasyLint. And with the EasyLint, you're going to get this really nice case. Inside the case, as you can see here, it's a two-tier case. The top of the case has a little pouch. And inside the pouch, you can find an English user manual. The user manual is very, very detailed. As you can see here, everything that you need to know about the EasyLint and how to operate it. It's all fully laid out for you. As well as a lifetime warranty, because every single EasyLint that's purchased through either our website or from Amazon comes with a lifetime warranty. This means you have nothing to worry about. Now, as far as the accessories the EasyLint comes with, you get a blade that comes already inside of the unit, and then you also get a spare, as well as a nifty little brush that you can clean your EasyLint with. And let's not forget that this comes with an AC adapter plug and can also be powered using batteries. Now, if we remove the device from the case, as you can see here, the case is really well designed. So this way, when you're done using it, you can put it back inside the case and zip it back up. And this way, it's well protected. As far as the device itself, the EasyLint has a soft rubber matte finish. Besides that, the on and off button is right at the top. And then this is where the lint collector is. The lint collector slides down and pops right off. And then, of course, you can empty it in the trash bin. The top of the unit is where you have your blade. If you want to remove the blade or replace it or clean the unit, all you need to do is turn this counterclockwise. To remove the blade, very easy, but to put it back, there's a specific way that it likes to be put in. So there's a little groove. Once you insert it into the groove, the blade goes right in. These blades are replaceable. This is not a throwaway product, meaning that you can keep this product for life. I made sure that when this lint shaver was designed, that I was going to sell these as well, because I don't necessarily want a throwaway product. Not only is it bad for the environment, but it's also not cost effective, because if it breaks, then you need to buy another one, and that's something I didn't want. But anyway, once you're done cleaning it or replacing the blade, you can simply screw it back into place clockwise, and then this goes right inside here, just like that. It makes a little snapping sound, and then your EasyLint is ready to be used once again. Now, if you're not a fan of using an AC adapter, all you need to do is there's a little clip right here. The little clip opens up, exposing the inside. And then your double D batteries will go inside here, and now this unit becomes completely portable. You don't necessarily have to depend on a lithium battery just in case it fails, and then you're pretty much stuck with a large paperweight. So once your batteries are finished, you can easily replace them. You can get the batteries, and they're relatively inexpensive. But if you're not a fan of batteries, you can simply carry this with you wherever you go inside of the nifty little case, and then this plugs directly into your wall socket, and then this end goes directly into your EasyLint. Super easy to use, very, very handy and convenient. When you're finished using your EasyLint, you can either keep this bag or you can throw it away. It doesn't really matter, but I like to keep everything intact, so this way it stays nice and clean. Everything has a place for it inside this little bag, and then it simply closes, and now you can store this inside the closet. And it's not taking up that much room because this is really nice and small. If you want to purchase this, there's a link to our EasyLint website.